Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to create a floating menu in Canva. And I will just say this right away, there is no way to create a floating menu in Canva. At the time of making this video, there is not an official way to make a floating menu in Canva. But what you can do is create your own custom navigation pane and add some animations to it. So here I have my custom animation pane, and if you're wondering how to do this, so this is simple. For example, I'll just delete this right here, and then I will just add a heading, and it doesn't have to be a heading, you can use subheading as well. And then I will just type in the pages that I have. So for example, I have home, and then when I see this home about work 1, I'll just copy and paste this. And just type in the needed pages right here. And then we can maybe move this a bit and then change it to 24. And then you can just click on the 3 dots, and then from the link, you can link the different pages right here. So I will link the different sections. You can choose if you want to link the other pages, but for now, I will link to the other sections right here. So for example, section 1, and then section 2, and then section 3, section 4, and then lastly for section 5. And then you will just do this and copy this into the other pages. For example, I'll just remove the bold and underline option first, and then I will just copy this. Then I'll just delete my old navigation pane and then just paste it, and just change this one like that, so that you know you are in the second section. And then just do the same thing for the other pages. So if you're wondering how I am copy and pasting this, I'm just using the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+C for the copy and then Ctrl+V for the paste. Then you can just edit your custom navigation menu and how it looks like into the other pages like that. And then what you can do as well is you can add some animations. For example, I want to choose with this one, the shift animation. Then I can apply this onto the other text as well. And then when I preview the website, and there we have our custom navigation menu like that. It has an animation whenever you open your section using the links. And then that is it for this video. It's unfortunate that we don't have a way to create a floating menu in Canva yet, but I hope it will be a feature soon. And that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.